Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. It has been forever, you guys. I'm busy, I work full time, I do not have enough time to post content, but when I do, I get super excited. So today we're starting in my son's bedroom. This is the bedroom that my parents always stay in when they come visit, and they were on their way. This is actually Saturday morning, and they actually showed up 15 minutes after I was done cleaning this bedroom, the bathroom, and the hallway, which was perfect timing. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I have a lot of things to share with you guys.
You were all he wants, and it's midnight. Oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind.
Alright y'all, so I'm on the hunt for a new vacuum. I love my Dyson, but the suction power is just not there for me anymore. About, I want to say 5 or 6 years ago, I bought a Kirby. It cost me about $1,300 and I never used it. I used it twice actually, and then I regretted buying this. So this thing is super heavy, super bulky. When I bought it, I mean, it worked great. I was like, oh, this is awesome. The suction power is great, but yeah, it was just too heavy for me, you guys. And the house that I had in Atlanta had 2 floors, and I just did not want to keep going up and down with this thing. So I decided to put that aside, and I ended up buying a Shark. And in here, you guys, I felt so awkward vacuuming because I have not used a corded vacuum in such a long time. I kept tripping over the cord. This was really, really awkward for me, but I'm definitely on the hunt for a new vacuum, and this time with a cord. So I'm thinking maybe a Shark. Because that's what I had originally. I've had Sharks ever since, I don't know, I moved out on my own. But then I ended up buying a Dyson about 2 or 3 years ago, and I love this thing. It's just the suction power, it's just not there. There's plenty of times when I vacuum a whole room and I empty out the canister, I go back to the same room and vacuum again, and I mean, you guys, I pick up so much. It's just ridiculous. Plus we have a dog and she sheds. She's not allowed in the bedrooms with the carpet just for that reason, because she sheds so much. But I am definitely on the hunt. I cannot wait. I have a few vacuums in mind. I'm just not 100% sure. Here, you guys, these are little felt pads that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just adding some essential oils, and I am sticking this in the closet, underneath my son's bed, and then under his desk. And you guys, it made the room smell really, really good. Now, of course, it does not last. So of course, if you these are really inexpensive, they're from the Dollar Tree, so you might want to take them out when you can't smell them anymore, and then just add new felt pads. Alright y'all, so I'm going to link this bottle down below. This thing is amazing. I made my own little room spray, and this misting bottle works perfectly. It cost me $7. I love this thing, and making my own room spray is better than going to buy some. Now, don't get me wrong, I still have some left, but I typically just use this, and I'm going to buy more bottles to keep them in every room. This is what I've been using for about a month or two, I believe. I have not pulled out any of my other room sprays, which I kind of have to, so I can go ahead and get rid of them. But you guys, definitely buy that bottle and definitely make your own room spray. And look at this bathroom, you guys. What is it with kids? This bathroom was a hot mess. And here I decided to finish off this OxiClean, and I just added it to the kids' bathtub here, or their bathtub shower combo thing here, and I went ahead and scrubbed it. But I also added some Tide. And this little hack right here, you guys, go to the Dollar Tree, get you a broom handle and then the brush, put it together, and you guys, it'll save your back. And this little pump right here I actually got at Lowe's. It cost me $5. So the kids' bathroom does not have a shower head that I can pull and add water like when I'm cleaning the bathtub. So I decided to go ahead and get this. You guys, invest your $5 if you do not have a long or shower head in there, and it just, oh my gosh, it's amazing. I used to use a cup or anything that I can just pour the water, but this thing works great. You just pump it and spray and you're done. And like I said, go get you a $1 broom handle and a brush, and it'll save your back.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we
All right, y'all, so I saw this on TikTok and I had to try it. I have never purchased powder detergent and I've never cleaned my floors with detergent, but everyone said to try this Tide, so I did. I added some Tide, just a little bit, because I was kind of a little just worried about using detergent on my floor, but I went ahead and added the Tide, added some hot water, and you guys, this floor in this bathroom, oh my gosh, it did such a great job. And of course it left it smelling amazing, but then I also used it on the wood floors in the hallway, and nothing, no residue, you guys. It didn't leave any type of streak or anything funky. Definitely try it. This thing worked great, and this is definitely what I'm going to be using from now on.
I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
All right, y'all, that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get back into filming more and editing. I just love doing it. It just brings me happiness. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Gravel,